how to pass NVIDIA NCP-AAI in the first attempt. So, the first thing we have to do here is set the promise. Let me make a clear promise. That is, if you follow the roadmap I am about to share exactly, you significantly increase your chances of clearing the NVIDIA NCP-AAI in your first attempt. See, this is not a list of topics. This is actually an execution plan, that is, what to study, in what order, and how to think during the examination. Actually, most people fail not because they don't know enough, but because they prepare without a proper roadmap. So, the first step, or I can say the first phase, is resetting your mindset. Yes, step one is a mindset reset. See, NCP-AI is not a Gen AI fundamentals exam, and it is not a prompting exam, or it is not a memory based certification. But NCP-AI is a system design exam for agents and also a planning and orchestration examination and a reliability and validation exam. So, once you accept this, you will stop wasting time on irrelevant content. Okay? Now, going to step 2 or the phase 2, that is lock the core agentic model. Before touching any resources, lock this mental model. That is, every enterprise agent system has 4 non negotiable parts. The first is coordinator agent, that is, owns the goal. The second is planner, which breaks the goal into steps. The third is executor or the tool agents, that is, to do the work. Then comes the fourth one, that is validation agent, which checks the correctness and safety. So, if you can clearly explain these 4 parts, you already understand the 60% of what NCP-AI tests. So, whenever you see a question, map it into one of these rules. Okay? Now, moving ahead, that is phase 3. That is study tools the right way. Here, where many candidates go wrong. Trust me, many of them go wrong here. They actually study tools like features. But instead, you must study tools like the controlled action. For every tool, ask as which agent is allowed to call this, at what step in the plan, and comes what happens if the tool fails and how is the response validated. So, NCP-AAI does not reward more tools, but it rewards correct placement of tools. Remember this, it rewards correct placement of tools. Fine? Moving ahead, that is phase 4, that is master planning and orchestration. This phase decides your result. You must be comfortable with multi-step workflows, conditional execution, state-based decisions, as well as stop conditions. This is why orchestration frameworks exist. You don't need to memorize the syntax, but you must understand as how agents decide what happens next. If planning feels natural, the exams feels easy. Yes, exam feels easy here. Now comes the phase 5, the fifth phase, that is the validation is your secret weapon. Validation is your secret weapon. Here's a simple examination trick I would like to give. That is, when you're in doubt, choose the option that includes the validation. Actually, these enterprises don't trust LLM output blindly. Neither does the NCP-AI. Validation actually means checking the correctness, confirming the confidence, enforcing guardrails, and preventing the hallucinations. If an answer skip validation, it usually wrong. Yes, it is usually wrong. Okay? Moving ahead to the next step, that is the sixth step in our phases, that is practice like the examination. Yes, don't practice by reading. Please don't practice by reading. But actually, you should practice by answering the scenario questions, architecture decisions, and what should happen next. Yes, you should be answering these questions. Your brain must learn to reason through the agent workflows. This is why mock questions matter more than the notes over here. Fine? Moving ahead to the next phase, that is the exam day execution strategy. Yes, the D-Day execution strategy. On examination day, follow the sequence for every question. The first is to identify the business goal. Next is identify the agent rules, and then comes identifying the planning logic, then identifying the validation layer, and then to eliminate the unsafe or uncontrolled options. So, guys, please do not rush. The exam is designed to trap fast readers. Yes, remember this. This examination is actually designed to trap the fast readers. Okay? So now let me end with this, that is, passing NCP-AAI in the first attempt is not about luck. It's about correct mental models, structured preparation, and calm execution. So, guys, if you prepare with this roadmap, you walk into the examination confident and not confused. If you want a step-by-step NCP-AAI execution plan with exam aligned practice tests, correct agentic workflows, and as well as the clear guidance on what matters, then the NCP-AAI prep resources and the practice tests are live. See, I have linked everything in the description. So, guys, prepare with a roadmap, clear it in your first attempt. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on agentic AI and interview preparation. I'll see you next time. Thank you.